Ganito pala bumili ng stock sa Wall Street noong 1980s. Sigawan, unahan, ito o siksikan. Mga tao talagang nagsisigawan sa trading floor para bumili at magbenta ng stocks. And for many decades, yan yung culture ng Wall Street. At para maka-own ka ng shares, it's either fund manager ka ng isang institution, bilyonaryo ka, or a US citizen. At that time, tinitrade na ang mga real stocks like Apple, Google, Amazon. Kaso karamihan sa atin, hanggang nood lang. Kasi kahit may mga ways naman to invest kahit dito ka pa sa Pilipinas, mahirap din kasi hindi naman clear kung paano. But ngayon, pwede ka nang mag-explore ng iba't ibang US companies gamit lang ang app. And these are real stocks ng mga kumpanyang nakalista sa US market. Your first step is mag-open ka lang ng stock account sa app. Pagkatapos ito, you can use the USDT papunta sa stock market. Yan po yung stable asset ng US dollar. Kapag funded ng account mo, pwede ka na mag-browse, mag-explore at tingnan yung mga available US stocks. At depende pa rin sa stock at applicable terms. Kung eligible ka, you'll have an access to shareholder benefits, tulad ng dividends at iba pang corporate actions. But remember, just because these companies are popular, ay magandang investment na kaagad to. So do your own research, your risk appetite, at long-term potential nito. This is not a financial advice, and once decided ka na, merong pa-reward si Mexi once you finally trade with real stocks. Ilalagay ko ang link sa baba nito to get more updates. To start trading real stocks, andyan sa comment section ang links, and let me know what's your top 3 companies na gusto mong pag-aralan, and let's talk about in the comments.